It's day 5 and we are heading north to Ban Rak Thai. It's more of a Chinese village than a Thai village, and it's located right on the Myanmar border. So let's get going. Well, goodbye Mae Hong Son. We're on our way to Ban Rak Thai. The road up here is narrow, steep, and twisty. But wow, these jungle and mountain views, they are just spectacular. Here we are. Welcome to Ban Rak Thai. So we've just arrived in Ban Rak Thai, which is a little bit of a detour on the Mae Hong Son loop. And we're up very close to the Myanmar border. And that's the first thing we're going to do. We are actually going to walk up to the border, see if we can actually step across into Myanmar. I'll show you what it's like. How far is the border? 1 kilometer. Thank you. So one of the lovely things about Ban Rak Thai is the temperature. What do you think it is, Steve?
It's probably, my guess is right now, 21 degrees.
Oh, such a difference from low down. So tell me, what's the history of the village?
Well, in 1949, a bunch of Chinese people trying to escape, it's 26 degrees here.
Oh, 26.
A bunch of Chinese people trying to get out of China came across the border and they were allowed to stay and set up. And so this was originally a Chinese village.
Huh, interesting. We have a little friend.
60 meters. This may be it here, Krista. There's some bikes on the other side. Oh, there's someone in the box there, to your left.
Oh. Right, our trusty beagle got us to the border with Myanmar. Here we go. Hello.
Take a picture here. Where are you, Krista?
I'm in Thailand.
Yay.
And now I'm in Myanmar.
Oh, great. And here's our trusty little beagle and our very friendly border guard who is allowing us to do this.
It's funny, our little beagle, he doesn't really like the Myanmar border guard. He was growling at him. That was funny. I think that he was protecting us.
He was.
A funny thing, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What'd you think of the border?
Kind of fun. But be careful of the razor wire there, okay?
We're just going to take a late afternoon stroll around the lake here in Ban Rak and stop somewhere for dinner and look forward to seeing all the lights come out as evening approaches. So this is definitely a town for tourists, but most of the tourists are actually Thai tourists. And somebody told us that it's a really popular spot for people to come who live in Bangkok. Ban Rak Thai is beautiful during the day, but I'm glad we didn't miss it at night. All the streets are lit up with glowing lanterns. It looks kind of magical. I'll end this with a little time lapse of the boats on the lake at night.
I hope you'll join us on our next video as we journey to the town of Pai.